In every corner of Australia, you find unique experiences and landscapes bursting with color, culture and natural beauty. To nature lovers, Australia is also a paradise of unique wildlife. You may choose to take a leisurely scenic drive down the Great Ocean Road or visit the iconic Sydney Opera House for a city holiday.
The giant panda is an endangered species unique to China, but their gentle and friendly nature has gained them the love of many people all around the world. Panda Wonderland depicts adorable, masked and safely distanced pandas at play. It demonstrates Singaporeans' tenacity and resilience in the face of the pandemic.
Japan. Whether passionate about sports, arts, nature, history, culture, food, or just looking to relax, the possibilities in Japan are endless. Mount Fuji is a must-see for first-time travelers to Japan. Some say the view is best from Churato Pagoda, especially during the cherry blossom season.
Visit the United Arab Emirates, UAE, and discover history, tradition and world-famous architecture. Burj Khalifa in Dubai is not only the world's tallest building but also holds several other world records. The Sheik Zayed Mosque in Abu Dhabi, another impressive structure, and is the third largest mosque in the world.
boast many wonderful attractions including antique sites and relics, imposing imperial palaces, delicate water towns, amazing natural wonders, splendid cultural heritage and diversified folk customs. One of the famous attractions is the Great Wall of China, which measures around 21,196 kilometers in total.
India. One of the oldest civilizations in the world, India is a mosaic of multicultural experiences. India's most popular tourist destination is Agra, the city of the Taj Mahal. This breathtakingly ethereal marble monument is considered by many as the most beautiful building constructed by man.
France is all about world-class art, gourmet food and stunning architecture. It seduces with iconic landmarks known the world over. One such landmark is the undisputed icon of France, the Eiffel Tower. It is best visited after dusk when the tower is dressed in spectacular lights. The United States of America, USA, is home to Los Angeles, Las Vegas, New Orleans, Miami, San Francisco and New York City, each name conjuring a different notion of culture and entertainment. The most recognized icon of USA is no doubt the Statue of Liberty in New York, widely recognized as a symbol of freedom and democracy. The auspicious and symbolic pairing of the dragon and phoenix is traditionally believed to bring health, wealth and good luck. The elegant phoenix is a good omen appearing in many legends across different cultures, symbolizing renewal in the West and blessings in the East.
The auspicious and symbolic pairing of the dragon and phoenix is traditionally believed to bring health, wealth and good luck. The dragon is one of the four mythical creatures in ancient Chinese folklore and believed to be a protective symbol in many cultures. This spectacular winding dragon is 42 meters long.